Did you know that turmeric is one of the most medicinal plants we know about on the planet today? It has been extensively studied by the natural and pharmaceutical medicine world for its therapeutic results. In today's episodes, we talk about the top 10 benefits turmeric has to offer, which is the #1 ingredient in Kangen Ukon, which is a supplement by Enagic. Hey folks, if you're new to the channel, my name's Kreel Hutchinson from Living Hydration. This channel is dedicated to sharing the facts, tips, and tricks on how you can maximize your Enagic Kangen water experience. Whether you're interested in learning about our life-changing water technology or becoming a distributor and making a global impact, we have something for everyone. Make sure to grab your copy of the free Ultimate Kangen Water Guide, which is a resource that has all aspects of the project put together for both a customer or distributor. It will literally save you hours of research and confusion. It has everything you need to know, from scientific studies to the best online videos on all the topics. A link is in the description. If that sounds like something you're into, subscribe to the channel, which will support my efforts in a big way. Now, let's get started. Thanks for watching. My name is Kreel Hutchinson. If you like this content, subscribe to the channel. Head over to my website, livinghydration.ca, and grab your free PDF, The Ultimate Drinking Water Review. Cheers!